Hello and welcome to C3 Streamland. So in this video, we will talk about SAS congruence. That means side or side angle and side. Or we can also say that we can evaluate any two sides of the triangle for both the triangles and the angle between them. And if they are similar, then we can say that these two triangles are congruent. Now, before we begin, this is just a small tip. Like now we are going to talk about different types of congruences, but the question is what to which congruence to apply when, especially when we are proving a theorem. So a small tip is see what data is available to you, right? What values do you know? Do you know the values of for three sides? Then go for SSS or side congruence. If you know the values for two angles and a side, then go for ASA congruence or angle side angle congruence. Yeah. So the congruence criterias you will apply based on what inputs you have. Always keep that in mind. And this is a very simple explanation I'm saying, but I would want to encourage you to challenge doing these congruence tests on triangles which are congruent but they are in rotation to start with, right? So sometimes just to know where to apply the congruence test. Okay, so let's begin with SAS congruence. So for that, I would like to find out the distance between AB, that is 4.47, and this side DE. Visually, it looks like it is similar to AB. So I'm just going to go for side DE here and measure the distance. I'm sorry. And the side length is 4.47, right? So one side is similar. What about the other side? I want to go for BC. You can also choose AC and DF to do this criteria test. I'm going for BC. So then this is 4.12 and similar side to BC in other triangle is EF. So I'm going to go for EF, and as you can see they are also exact same. Now since I went for AB and BC for the triangle, I would like to evaluate angle ABC, right? So I'm going to go with the angle ABC and measure this, and it is 310. It has taken the external angle. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing with angle DEF. And as you can see, the external angles for both the triangles are same. So for those who know the rule for the external and internal angles, if the external angles are exactly same, I'm sure the internal angles will also be same. But just to be sure, let me just go ahead in the settings and I just do 0 to 180 measure of the angle, and that gives me the internal angle for this triangle. And as you can see, both the angles are 49. So based on this information, I can say that these two triangles, triangle ABC and DEF, are congruent based on SAS congruency criteria. That means both the two sides and the angle between them, they are exactly the same. Hence, these two triangles are congruent. In the next video, we'll talk about ASA congruence.